Hi, I'm Dara, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to simulate hardware on FlexLogger. So say you want to explore the capabilities of FlexLogger but don't have any hardware on hand. One thing you can do is simulate a USB DAC on FlexLogger, and this will come right up once you start a new project on FlexLogger. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that button, and it will simulate a USB DAC, and with this we'll be able to configure all the channels like you would normally, even log data, add different events, and create any graphs or gauges like we would with any real hardware. So one thing I'm just going to do for this example is add a temperature channel. So just like I would with any real hardware, I'm just going to click temperature, change the physical measurement to temperature, and then click thermocouple as the sensor class, and I'll leave all these settings the same as well, but if you wanted it in certain range, you can also change that. So as you can see, we have live values in degrees Celsius from the temperature sensor, and we can go to the logging specifications tab, and as you can see, it looks just as it would with any real hardware. We can also add different events. And for this example, I'm just going to add a long history graph using the temperature sensor data. So I'm just going to click that, add the graph, and use that as the channel. And I'll change the visible length to 0.5, just like I would with any real data, and also scale to visible, and change the name to temperature. So there you have it. In this video, we configured a temperature channel as well as built a user interface for that temperature data using simulated hardware on FlexLogger. Thank you for watching.